Trading on the free version of TradingView can be frustrating. You only get 2 indicators, and that makes it almost impossible to build a proper strategy. Most traders want to combine more tools, like MACD, RSI, and Stochastic, but the platform limits them. That's where the DIY Custom Strategy Builder comes in. This indicator removes the limitation and lets you create complete trading systems with multiple indicators in one place. And the best part is you get direct buy and sell signals printed on your chart. So let's add it. I'm going to be using TradingView. First of all, click on Indicators tab from here and search for DIY Custom Strategy Builder. Select the one written by Zpayab. The moment you add it, you'll see information, levels, and buy and sell signals appear on your chart. This is one of the most powerful indicators ever made on TradingView because it allows you to build your own strategy from nearly 50 different indicators. Instead of trying to line things up visually, the indicator does it for you. When your conditions are met, it gives you a clear signal. It is as simple as that. By default, the indicator adds a table to your chart. This table shows the leading indicator and the confirmation indicators that you select. For example, the default leading indicator is range filter and the confirmation indicator is rational quadratic kernel. Whenever both agree, the chart prints a buy or sell signal. A buy signal means both gave buy conditions at the candle close. A sell signal means both gave sell conditions. You can also see extra information like supply and demand zones, market sessions, and candles colored by momentum. Green candles mean upside strength. Red candles mean downside strength. Gray candles mean the market is flat. These visuals add another layer of confirmation. For example, when a buy signal prints and the candle is also green, that's stronger momentum backing the trade. Now, let's go into the settings. You can access the settings from here.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
This is where the real power is. In the settings, you choose your leading indicator first. This is the main condition that triggers signals. After that, you select your confirmation indicators. These are filters that must agree before a signal is printed. You can scroll through the list of nearly 50 indicators and pick the ones that fit your strategy. Another important setting is called Signal Expire Candle Count. By default, it's set to 3. That means if your leading indicator gives a signal, the indicator will wait up to 3 candles for your confirmations to agree. If they do, a buy or sell signal prints. If not, the signal is rejected. This setting is crucial. If you want all signals to happen at the same time, set it to 0. In that case, the chart will only print buy and sell signals when all conditions align perfectly in the same candle. If your strategy allows for 1, 2, or 3 candles of delay for confirmation, then you can adjust it here. Now let's build the example strategy I mentioned earlier using MACD, RSI, and Stochastic. This way, you will have a better idea on how you can also build your custom strategy using this indicator. In the settings, we select MACD as the leading indicator. Then we add RSI and Stochastic as confirmations. As you can see, you can do that from here. For Stochastic, we choose K% crossing above D% for buy signals and below D% for sells. For RSI, we set it to use the 50 line. Above 50 is bullish, below 50 is bearish. Once these are set, the strategy is ready. Every time all 3 conditions line up, a signal is printed. A green arrow means buy, a red arrow means sell. The table updates to show MACD as the leading indicator and RSI and Stochastic as confirmations. And you'll see on the chart exactly where the system triggered buys and sells. You can also adjust the settings of each indicator individually. For example, MACD by default is 12, 26, and 9. But if you want to change it to 34, 144, and 14, you can also do that. Similarly, RSI defaults to 50 as the center line, but you can move it higher or lower. Stochastic can be adjusted as well. You have full control of the settings for every indicator inside this builder. That means you can design your strategy exactly how you want it and test it live on the chart. Let's look at some examples. Here in this example, MACD crossed above the 0 line. RSI moved above 50, and stochastic K% crossed above D%. All three aligned, so our strategy builder indicator printed a buy indication signal. The candle was green, confirming upside momentum, so this was a textbook signal. So a buy position can be opened over here, the stop loss can be set under the recent swing low, and a take profit target of 1:1.5 or anything else. This is just for example purposes. Of course, the results will depend on what strategy you are using, but through this indicator, you can literally use any number of indicators you want at the same time. And once set, you will simply get a buy or a sell signal accordingly without any hassle of gathering confirmations from all indicators at the same time. In another example, here the stochastic flipped bullish first, but RSI and MACD didn't confirm right away. Because the expiry was set to 3, the tool waited. 2 candles later, RSI crossed above 50 and MACD confirmed bullish. Then the buy arrow printed. So if your strategy allows a bit delay, this feature can help you. It is not necessary that all the indicators line up exactly at the same point, so it is better to always have some candles limit before the signal expires. Here, we could have taken an entry at the candle close stop under the swing low dot price pushed higher, and this signal would have given us an amazing profitable trade. This shows how the expiry setting makes a difference. Without it, that signal would never have appeared. On the sell side, let's take a look at this example. We had a clean example where MAC discogram turned red. RSI dropped below 50 and stochastic crossed down, all in the same candle. The builder instantly printed a sell arrow. The candle was also red, adding momentum confirmation. If you want, you can also use the strategy I am using right now. This is a pretty good accurate trading strategy, and many traders use this in their trading. Incorsory was taken at the close, stop above the recent swing high, price fell sharply, and hit target quickly. Everything lined up perfectly. Besides signals, you can also turn on extra features inside the settings. You can add exponential moving averages, Fibonacci levels, liquidity zones, super trend, supply and demand, and more. These can give you additional confirmation or help with stop loss and take profit placement. For example, if a buy signal prints and it's also supported by a supply and demand zone, that's stronger confluence. The flexibility is what makes this tool so powerful. You're not limited to just 3 indicators. You can design strategies with many different combinations and conditions. And instead of trying to check each one manually, the builder does it for you and gives you simple arrows to follow. Test it out. Try different indicator combinations and see how it works on your market. Once you use it, you'll realize how much easier trading becomes when you're not guessing or juggling multiple indicators separately. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found value in this breakdown, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you guys in the next video.